Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to allow everyone to see a story on Facebook before posting it. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device to begin the process. Step 2. Tap on Create Story located on the left side of the screen to initiate creating a new story. Step 3. Choose to take a new photo or video using your device's camera, or select one from your gallery to use as the content for your story. Step 4. After selecting or capturing your content, you have the option to enhance it by adding text, stickers, or other effects to personalize your story. Step 5. Once you're satisfied with your story, tap on Privacy at the bottom left corner of the screen. Step 6. Select the option for Public to ensure that everyone can view your story. Step 7. Finally, tap on Share to post your story and make it visible to everyone on Facebook. By following these steps, you can easily share your story with a wider audience by allowing everyone to see it on Facebook before posting, enabling you to connect and engage with a broader community. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to share a story with everyone on Facebook before posting it. Enjoy sharing your stories and connecting with a larger audience on the platform.